If you are a ClickBank affiliate marketer, then you need to watch this video. In this video we will take a quick look on the CBReviewla product, so that you can have a good idea about what you'll get. So, what is CBReviewla? CBReviewla is a professional and in-depth WordPress reviews website for best-selling products on ClickBank. It is the most effective solution to promote ClickBank products and make consistent commissions every day. CBReviewla comes in two forms. CBReviewla 2, for bloggers and marketers who want to publish product reviews on their websites. CBVideola, for YouTubers who publish video reviews for ClickBank products on their YouTube channels. CBReviewla 2 is a ready-made WordPress website ready to install on your server in less than 10 minutes. It comes with all the required plugins, with a free but powerful theme. It contains 180 review articles for 180 products on ClickBank. 90 of them are products with highest gravity. You'll be able to insert your ClickBank nickname in all 180 pages with one click. In addition to the ready-made WordPress website, you will also get all the reviews in a Word files format, in case you wanted to publish them manually on your current website or in social media networks. The package comes with full and well-explained video tutorials, installing and configuring video tutorials. CBVideola is a new product upgrade, and comes with 50 high-quality voiceovers for the best-selling products on ClickBank. You can use this voiceovers to create high-quality review videos to publish on your YouTube channel or on any video platform. You'll also get all scripts used in creating these voiceovers. These scripts were crafted, with video creating in mind, using the IDA formula. It's the well-known copywriting strategy used by professional marketers. Also, both CBReviewla and CBVideola comes with these bonuses. Bonus 1. Video tutorial explains how to rewrite these reviews articles in record time using a free yet very powerful online tool. Bonus 2. Thumbnail template. This the template I always use to create unlimited thumbnails for both website posts or for videos created by the voiceovers in the CBVideola package. Bonus 3. A complete Filmora and Camtasia video project for one of my videos made using a voiceover. This will help you simulate it to create a high-quality reviews videos. This is a huge money and time saver. And, before closing, if you're really serious about your online business and want to take your ClickBank account to a higher level of earnings and profitability, then this is your biggest opportunity. Whether you're a blogger or a YouTuber, this opportunity is for you, so please do yourself a favor and grab your copy with the current discounted price before it goes higher, and it will very soon. See you inside.